Welcome to the final part of our Budapest journey. Today, we cross the elegant green spans of the Liberty Bridge, heading toward the majestic heights of Gellert Hill. Considered by many to be the most beautiful bridge in the city, it connects the Great Market Hall in Pest to the foot of Gellert Hill in Buda. At the foot of the hill sits the Hotel Gellert, a masterpiece of Art Nouveau architecture and home to the world-famous thermal baths. Budapest is the city of spas, and these healing waters have been a source of wellness for centuries. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Nearby, we discover the Cave Church, a unique sacred space carved directly into the Dolomite cliffs of the hillside. Now, we begin our ascent. The winding paths of Gellert Hill offer a peaceful escape, with every step bringing a new perspective. Halfway up, the city begins to unfold below us, revealing the geometric beauty of the bridges we've crossed. The hill itself is a geological marvel, rising abruptly from the riverbank to a height of 140 meters. From this vantage point, you can see the dense, historic fabric of the Pest side stretching toward the horizon. We reach the summit and the formidable walls of the Citadella, a fortress built by the Habsburgs after the Hungarian Revolution of 1848. Once a symbol of surveillance and control, it now serves as one of the city's most beloved tourist destinations. Standing tall at the peak is the Liberty statue, a lady holding a palm leaf high above her head. Erected in 1947, she has become an iconic symbol of the city's resilience and its hard-won freedom. The monument honors all those who sacrificed their lives for the independence and prosperity of Hungary. This is the ultimate view. From here, you can see the entire loop of the Danube, from the parliament to the castle and beyond. Budapest is truly a city of bridges, each with its own character and story to tell. The Parliament, which we visited in part 1, looks like a miniature model of Gothic perfection from this height. And the Buda Castle, our second stop, sits majestically on the neighboring ridge. As day turns to night, the city transforms into a glittering sea of lights, earning its name as the Paris of the East. The beauty of Budapest is timeless, a blend of history, culture, and natural splendor. Thank you for joining us on this 3-part walking tour of one of Europe's most magnificent capitals. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Until next time.